What's up, all you adventurous minions? I know not everybody can get out and adventure. I'll be your eyes and your ears. I'll take you on an adventure. You never know where we will go. I usually have haunted and abandoned videos. Before we start this video, smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. You never know where we will go. Ready, set, teleport. And we're back here at these waterfalls. Check it out. Zoom in on it for you guys a little bit. You guys want to take a walk? Go to these bigger waterfalls. Take a walk down this river. Check it out. Walk down the river. This looks like there's usually water all the way up on here. Walk along here. Walk along here, guys. Coming up to these big waterfalls. We'll be there in a second. Just don't want to slip and fall on this stuff. Stuff's slippery. Go back down by the water, guys. We're getting way up there. Go over here, guys. Walk over here. Walk down here. Whoa. Kind of a big step right here. Oh. Whoa, this is getting slippery. Let's go over this way, guys. Go over this way. These views are slippery. This is slippery and dangerous. Whoa. Whoa. Check out the waterfalls, guys. You guys want to walk over there? Walk over there. It's slippery though. And wet. That's too deep, guys. I can't go over there no more. Check it out, guys. You come over here. Whoa, guys. Living on the edge. Right there's my foot. Right there's the edge. Check out this view.